Hi and welcome to the Elvatech Academy. My name is Serhiy, and in this video I will walk you through the ProSpector to Analyzer interface. So let's get started. After you turned on the device, entered your password and accepted the radiation safety notice, you will see the Analyzer's home screen. So on the right top corner you see here we have the battery icon. You can press it once and you see the battery charge. We have the 80%. On the bottom left corner you see the keyboard, screen keyboard that you can use when you have a lot of calibrations and you want to find some specific calibration. So, and on the left bottom corner you see the main menu options. Let's click it and see what we have inside. And let's start from the bottom. Here we have the language. We have the more than 10 languages that you can choose from. The next sub-menu is monitors. Here you can see the status of different components of the analyzer. Voltage, status, battery monitor, X-ray tube, and so on. And let's click the battery monitor to see what we have inside. Here you see the status of the battery, like battery charge 79%, time to empty 4 hours, and also we have here AC adapter present, it is not connected, and many other statuses. And if you click, for example, on X-ray tube, you can see that the total usage of this X-ray tube is 1.5 hours, and so on. So the next one, we have hardware configuration. Here you see the serial number of the analyzer and the detector installed. In this analyzer we have the fast SDD detector. The next menu we have the software version. Here you can see the version of the software installed in the analyzer. The next we have current user. Here you just see the name of the operator that is currently using the analyzer. The next submenu is networking. Here you can remotely control the analyzer, or you can share the files via FTP or SMB, and so on. The next submenu is settings. Here we have the extended submenu where you can adjust the screen brightness. The next we have sound volume. Here you can adjust the sound volume and the analyzer will make the sound after for example, the measurement is completed. But it works only with the menu item like voice. If you turn on the voice, after that you can adjust the sound volume and the analyzer will give you the signal. The next one we have trigger. Trigger has two options. The first option, the press to start and release to stop. It's maybe not very comfortable when you analyze the samples during, for example, 20 or 30 seconds, because you need to hold the trigger during the measurement. And the second option is more comfortable because you need just to pull once and release, and the analyzer will start the measurement. And when you want to stop the measurement, you just pull again and the analyzer will end the measurement. So the next we have start stop button. It is the button that is shown on the screen in every calibration, in every measurement mode. So for example, if we go to the alloys, you see on the screen there is a button and the arrows. And also you can turn on or off this button in the menu inside this calibration. And if you will turn off, you will not see this button. But if you work in the lab stand and you measure a lot of samples, it's very comfortable because with the you don't need to pull the trigger on the analyzer. You can start the measurement with pressing this button on the screen. So then next we have a screenshot button. If you turn on this option, you will see on the bottom of the screen the icon with print screen. It's very easy. You can just make a print screen in every mode or just on the main screen, yeah, and it will save this screenshot on the memory card or on the internal memory of the analyzer. So then next one, voice. We have already talked about this. The auto rotate screen. This option just rotates the screen just on as on the mobile phone. When you rotate the analyzer, the screen will also rotate. So then next one is printing. Here you can connect the analyzer to your Wi-Fi network and send the measurement reports to your network printer. You need just to enter the IP address, port, and choose the model of the printer. We will talk about this option in details in our next videos. The next one, we have the measurement storage. Here you can select the number of measurements to store per each mode. Per each mode, it means per each calibration. For example, if we would like to store 300 measurements, it means that the analyzer will store in every mode in alloys without light elements, alloys with light elements, precious metals, and so on. In every mode, the analyzer will save the 300 measurements. And you see on the screen we have also the information about the memory that is required for this number of the measurements. And here also you can select the memory card. You can here select the internal memory of the analyzer, its flash disk, or if you will insert the memory card inside the analyzer, there would be also the memory card, and you may choose the flash disk or the memory card. So here also you have the information about the total memory of the analyzer and the free memory. Also, here you can delete the measurements. You can just delete with 2 clicks all the measurements that are stored on the memory card or on the internal memory of the analyzer. And next we have the measurement export. Here you can just select the folder where you want to save all the measurement logs and exports. So here you can export the measurement logs. You can export them made today or maybe dated. You can choose the date, start with and end with, and just export these measurements, or you can export all stored measurements. And also here you can choose the log format. It can be CSV or PDF file. And also you see there is a columns button, and if you click on it, you see that the columns, you can choose the columns that you want to export. For example, if we want to export in the alloys mode, we don't want to export the date and time. The analyzer will export all columns and the information from these columns to your measurement report. And here you can also choose the different modes, and in every mode you can choose columns that you want to export. So let's move on. And then next one, we have the set date and time. Here you just set the date and time. So the next menu item, we have the users and passwords. Here you can add the user or change the password, but to add the user you need to enter the analyzer with the service password. And the last submenu, we have the special. Here you see the Reconnect spectrometer and Restart PDA is the options that use our service department, and you don't need them. So it was the main menu analyzer, but also we have additional menus in every calibration that we will cover in our next videos. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into configuration, taking measurements and making the most of all its capabilities. So stay tuned. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments. See you in the next videos.